Welcome to Traveling While Black in Seattle.
Hey, what's up? I'm Anthony. This is my wife Marley, and welcome to another episode of Traveling While Black in Seattle.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. And as a brief reminder, our show is based on our experiences in and around Seattle. And we base those experiences off of how good of a drive it was, how much fun we had, and most importantly, how comfortable we feel as Black people visiting for the first time.
One of the biggest things we realized since moving here was how much the city of Seattle is surrounded by water. So, for the next few episodes, we are going to be crossing over the water and exploring places that are also surrounded by water.
Yep, and for this episode, we are actually hitting the water and exploring freshwater Lake Union right here in the city of Seattle. So, enjoy the episode, and as always, let us know what you think. Formed by the Vashon Glacier, Lake Union is a freshwater lake that lays right within the city of Seattle. During this time of the year, you begin to see it occupied with boats.
What might be missed amongst all of the boats and other Seattleites enjoying the lake is the beautiful wildlife that is around the area.
With the help of Rowing Urban Waterways, we are ready to experience Seattle from the waters of Lake Union.
Drive grade. With the drive from our place over to the dock point in the Wallingford neighborhood, it was not terrible. It was only a 12-minute drive, but the parking in the area was suspect.
Even though the drive was all within the city, the views were beautiful, especially as we got closer to the water, which for me kind of sort of makes up for the parking.
True. Nice views, easy drive, still trumps suspect parking. So, for drive grade, we give a 4 out of 5.
Level of fun. So we found this local business, Rowing Urban Waterways, that offers a 3-hour rowboat tour around Lake Union for groups up to 3 people. So we signed up.
This is the owner and operator, Jordan. He's a pretty interesting dude. He's rowed across the Atlantic Ocean twice, once getting a Guinness Book World Record. He's even capsized in the Bermuda Triangle. And this is his boat, Clarabelle. The very boat he twice rowed down the Mississippi River.
The very boat we were taking for our trip on the water.
It's a common misconception that Black people can't swim. That is false. Yeah, we can't swim, not because we're Black, but we just never learned. Ha!
Yes, they offer life vests. We took off from the Puget Sound Yacht Club and ventured out on our journey. Along the way, we would be blown away by the beauty of the views and nature experienced along the way.
We saw a lot of wildlife, ducks, baby ducks, geese, beavers, and a host of other creatures we wouldn't normally encounter this close living in the city. Oh yeah, and we were in the city.
Not only was the tour full of beauty, it was also a really good time. Jordan had an endless amount of stories detailing a wide range of history of Seattle, the Pacific Northwest, and the waters that connect it.
Also, having drinks along the way was not a bad ad. Yes, we had a great time. In fact, we were planning on booking again in the fall just to check out the change of seasons. I will recommend though, bringing or at least using some type of mosquito repellent because these mosquitoes was loving your boy's blood on that day.
Yes, great time, beautiful views. For level of fun, we give it a 5 out of 5.
Comfortability for Black people. So this trip, like in a couple before, we got up close to nature. As we mentioned before, nature welcomes everybody. The ducks and baby ducks love Black people. Beavers love Black people. Geese hate everybody. It was comfortable.
Yes, we didn't know what to expect walking up to a yacht club, but the people we encountered seemed pretty friendly. Not only at the dock, but also up and down the water, people would actually say hello and engage in small talk. The Seattle freeze was not existent on the lake.
The comfortability for Black people by the way of all the love from nature and the people was only amplified by the fact that our host had also a wealth of knowledge about Black history, which he wove into the tales he shared with us as part of the tour. So, for comfortability for Black people, we give a 5 out of 5.
We do want to give a special thanks to Rowing Urban Waterways, and most def recommend you guys booking a tour with Jordan via his Airbnb.com experiences site. You can find a link to the site in the description.
We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Be sure to check out all of our previous episodes.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, feel free to like our page on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And of course, please reach out to us and let us know if there's anywhere you would like us to check out.
Until next time, beautiful people, stay up, stay true, and do you.